Welcome to the Camvox Times, your late-night bilingual political editorial. I'm Laura Jacobson, joined by Dr. Julius Taka. Tonight, we'll dive into key political issues affecting our community, sharing insights and analyses to keep you informed and engaged. Let's get started. Good evening, viewers around the world. Welcome to the Camvox Times late-night bilingual political editorial, where insight meets integrity and perspectives transcend borders. I'm Laura Jacobson, your host for tonight's global discussion. Tonight, we dive deep into one of the most debated topics in Cameroon's political landscape, the perceived independence of ELECAM and the Constitutional Council. To help us unpack this complex question, we are joined by Dr. Julius Babala Taka, political scientist, leadership consultant, and media executive. Dr. Taka, thank you for joining us on this late-night edition. The floor is yours.
Thank you, Laura, and good evening to all our viewers tuning in from Africa, Europe, the Americas, and beyond. Tonight's editorial, titled Institutional Legitimacy versus Political Appointments, the False Narrative of ELECAM's Alleged Bias, explores a common misconception that Cameroon's electoral institutions cannot be neutral because their members are appointed by the head of state. Around the world, from Washington to Paris and Accra to Yaoundé, such appointments are standard in democracies. What matters is not who appoints, but how institutions perform their duties within the law. In the United States, the Federal Election Commission is appointed by the President and confirmed by the Senate. In France, the Conseil Constitutionnel is named by political leaders. And in Ghana, electoral officials are chosen by the executive, yet each body remains legitimate because of legal and procedural checks. Institutional legitimacy flows from law, not loyalty. Cameroon's ELECAM and Constitutional Council derive their authority from constitutional mandate and their credibility from procedure and transparency. Thank you. Back to you, Laura.
Merci, Dr. Taka, for that powerful insight. Ladies and gentlemen, as part of our bilingual commitment, we now turn to the French edition of this editorial. Dr. Taka, once again, welcome back to present your analysis, this time en français.
Merci Laura et bonsoir à tous nos téléspectateurs du monde entier. Ce soir, nous parlons de la légitimité institutionnelle et des nominations politiques, un débat souvent mal compris au Cameroun. Certains pensent que l'ELECAM et le Conseil constitutionnel ne sont pas indépendants parce que leurs membres sont nommés par le président de la République. Mais dans toutes les démocraties modernes, des États-Unis à la France et jusqu'au Ghana, les responsables électoraux sont nommés par le pouvoir exécutif tout en restant indépendants par la loi. La véritable indépendance vient du respect des règles, de la transparence et du contrôle institutionnel. Les théories de Max Weber, Herbert Simon et Marsh et Olsen montrent que les institutions fonctionnent selon des procédures normées qui limitent la partialité. Au Cameroun, l'ELECAM et le Conseil constitutionnel ne sont donc pas des bras du MINAT, mais des organes autonomes fondés sur la Constitution et le droit. En conclusion, la confiance dans nos institutions ne vient pas des rumeurs, mais de la loyauté envers la légalité. Le Cameroun doit continuer de croire en sa stabilité démocratique.
Thank you, Dr. Taka, for sharing your wisdom and clarity tonight. And to all our viewers around the world, thank you for joining us on this special bilingual edition of the Camvox Times Late Night Political Editorial. Merci à tous nos fidèles téléspectateurs pour votre soutien et votre fidélité. Until next time, stay informed, stay engaged, and stay with Camvox Times, where truth meets vision. Bonne nuit et que Dieu bénisse le Cameroun.